Hello and welcome. This is Mdasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about dynamic UCS. So what if I just want to put any object on the top of this object or a side of this object? So in this case we have to use dynamic UCS. So where is dynamic UCS? Dynamic UCS is in status bar. So you can see this is the option for dynamic UCS. This is the icon for dynamic UCS. If this icon is not available for you, you need to just click here, okay, and here you can see bundle of the options, and from here this is the option for dynamic UCS. If this option is not checked, just check this one to show it on status bar. Okay, so right now it is checked, so I do not need to check this one. Okay, this is checked, so I will just click here to on this one. Now for example, I want to put any object on this box. For that, what I will do, I will just go here, okay, I will click on this drop down arrow, and right now I want to put this pyramid on this box. I will click here. Now you can see because of dynamic UCS, the top of this box and the side of this box are going to highlights. Okay, now for example, I want to put on the top. For that, what I will do, I will just right click here and I will select edge option. Okay, and then I will select first edge and then second edge. Okay, first for length and then breadth. Okay, then I will put for height. Okay, so I will just put here for height. Okay, so this pyramid is on the top of this box. Okay, for example, I want to just change this as a realistic view, and now you can see it is on the top of this box. Okay, now I want to just put on the side of this box. For that, what I will do, I will just go here and I will change as 2D wireframe, and I will delete this one for right now, and I will activate again pyramid command, and I will right click here and I will just click on edge option. So when these sides will be get highlighted, I will just select first and then I will select second corner. Okay, and then I will just give height. Okay, so I want to give this point as a height point, and then again I will go in here in realistic view. Now you can see this is on the side of this box. Okay, so dynamic UCS is used to put any object on second object. Okay, or a side of any object. So I will just delete this one for right now, and I will just click here and I will select 2D wireframe, and right now I want to put any of object on this cylinder. I will go here, and from here I will select, for example, sapphire. I want to just put sapphire on it. I will click here, and now whenever this boundary will be get highlighted and this plus icon will be show, this is the center snap option. Okay, so I will just click on this center. Okay, I will click here. Now I will just give second point as this point. Okay, this is the boundary. You can see I will select this one. Now I will just go here in realistic view. Now you can see this is on the top of this cylinder. So this is how you can put any object on second object. So this is the benefit of dynamic UCS. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.